So I'm back again, and today we'll learn about identity and access management. This is Jiten from Software Circle, and here we are for free e-learning. This is totally non-profit, non-commercial work that we are doing. So let's begin to learn identity and access management, which is also called in short form IAM. So today's agenda is to learn what is IAM, how IAM boosts security, role-based access control, automatic deprovisioning, IAM tools, IAM benefits, and IAM implementation guide. So what is IAM or identity and access management? Compromised users' credentials are among the most common targets for hackers to gain entry into the organization's network through malware, phishing, or ransomware attack. It is therefore vital for enterprise to safeguard their most valuable resource. Many are increasingly turning to identity and access management solutions to protect their data and people. IAM is a framework of policies, process, and technologies that enables organizations to manage digitally identified and control user access to critical corporate information. By assigning users with specific roles and ensuring they have the right level of access to corporate resources and networks. IAM improves security and user experience. It enables better business outcomes and increases the viability of mobile and remote working and cloud adoption. How IAM boosts security. The core objective of an IAM solution is to assign one digital identity to each individual or device. From there, the solution maintains, modifies, and monitors access level and privileges through each user's access lifecycle. The core responsibilities of an IAM systems are verify and authenticate user based on their roles and contextual information such as geography, time, or days, or trusted network. Capture and record user login events. Manage and provide visibility of business user identity database. Manage the assignment and removal of users access privilege. Enable system administrator to manage and restrict user access and monitor changes in user privileges. Now we'll see what is the role-based access control. IAM frameworks are not only crucial to controlling user access to critical information but also implementing role-based access control. This enables system administrator to regulate access to corporate networks or system based on individual users' roles, which are defined by their job title, level of authority, and responsibility within the business. Automatic deprovisioning. An IAM solution is also crucial to preventing security risk when employees depart a business. Manually deprovisioning access privilege to the apps and services the former employee used can often take time or even be forgotten entirely, leaving a security gap for hackers. IAM prevents this by automatically deprovisioning access right once a user leaves the company or as their role within the organization changes. Human and device identification. Digital identities do not exist for humans, as IAM also manages the identity of device and applications. This establishes further trust and provides deeper context around whether a user is who they say they are and the applications that users are entitled to access. Now, what are the various tools of IAM? SSO, which is single sign-on, MFA, multi-factor authentication, privilege access management, risk-based authentication, data governance, federated identity management, and zero trust. We have made a couple of videos on federated identity management, SSO, MFA. Please go and watch our other videos for this. Now, what are the benefits of an IAM system? Implementing an IAM solution provides a wide range of benefits to the organization, such as secure access, opening network to the more employees, new contracts, customers, and partners offer greater efficiency and productivity, but it also increases the risk. An IAM solution enables business to extend access to their apps, networks, and system on-premise and in the cloud without compromising security. The second benefit is reduced help desk request. An IAM solution removes the need for users to submit password reset and help desk requests by automating them. This enables users to quickly and easily verify their identity without bothering system admin, who in turn are able to focus on tasks that adds greater business value. Third benefit of IAM is reduced risk. Greater user access control means reduced risk of internal and external data breaches. This is vital as hackers increasingly target user credentials as a key method for gaining access to corporate networks and resources. And the fourth benefit is meeting compliances. An effective IAM system helps a business meet their compliance needs amid a landscape of increasingly stringent data and privacy regulations. Now, IAM implementation guide. First guide is to consider business size and type, then decide on IAM implementing. IAM systems are vital for business to automatically manage the identities and access privilege of users in various locations, computing environments, and on multiple devices. And IAM is equally effective for large enterprise as medium and small business. Solutions are available for larger organizations such as SMEs to pick and choose tools that simplify user access, remove reliance on passwords, and authenticate users wherever they are and on any device. Create an IAM integration strategy. Common risks associated with the implementing IAM are integrating the solution with existing solutions, making the move to the cloud, and employees using products and tools not approved by the organizations, also known as the silos ID. This can be avoided by fully embracing the move to IAM, putting the time and effort into establishing a cohesive identity management strategy, and encouraging collaboration across the business. And at the last, find the right IAM solutions. Critical components of an IAM system that prevents business from falling fall of these risks include access management products that identify and manage users' identity and enable tools for single sign-on for cloud, network, and web resources. Authentication processes such as multi-factor authentication and risk-based authentication that help users to easily verify their identity. And at last, password tokens that add extra security to simply using password alone. So that's a small video on IAM. I hope you will like the video, and if you have any questions, please write in the comment box. If you think video is helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.